BERJAYA Times Square, which I think has theme park. We had a vote, the guys weren't sure. We won.
We've never done that, huh?
We've never been on a roller coaster together. Have fun! So we are back at the mall. Hello, hello. We've done the pool hall. We're gonna play some pool in the pool hall. Very nice. We've done the food court.
Ah, that's quality.
And now we're gonna show you guys the bowling. BERJAYA Times Square is a 48-story, 203-meter twin tower hotel, condominium, indoor amusement park, and shopping center complex in Bukit Bintang, Kuala Lumpur. And it is literally the second largest indoor amusement park in all of Asia. It was opened in October 2003 by the 4th Prime Minister of Malaysia, Tun Dr. Mahathir bin Mohamad. BERJAYA Times Square is located on 40,894 square meters of land. Oh, there's the alley. That's the bowling, right? You said? Is that it?
No.
Oh.
But I can see why you said that.
Well, you said earlier.
I think there's a coffee shop.
Ah, yeah. We're at BERJAYA Times Square and we are going to the 7th floor, which I think has theme park. But I don't know if the theme park is for kids or adults or what, but we're gonna find out. We need to go up. How many floors are there here? Look, there's so many. It's like... So it looks like there's like 14 floors and the 14th floor has something to do with the university. So, oh, mate.
Hello. Wow, this is interesting. We have a theme park in the mall. Look at this. Jen wants to go on the roller coaster. You could go on the roller coaster, my dear.
I want to go on the roller coaster. You guys, I want to go on the roller coaster. Look. Why not? Yeah. Why not? Why not? I look. But look, it goes everywhere. You guys think we should go? I think we should go. If you were here, would you go? Would you go on?
Let's see how much.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see how much it is per person.
Hello.
Hello.
Is this for children or can we also go in?
Are we allowed on the roller coaster?
For adult?
Yeah?
Yeah, adult. Okay.
Yes? How much is it for one ride on the roller coaster?
For actually we don't have the one ticket for one station, one ride, but what the package, right?
So those are for adults.
Let's do those.
Yeah?
Right.
And how much is it for the adults?
For one adult,
75 ringgit? Per person. Yeah. But no, I don't like haunted houses. But it's 70. Look, it's 75 ringgit for the 5 adult rides. And you can do bumper cars, the roller coaster, and spinny things, and no?
We do that.
Yeah, you guys game?
Yeah, I want to do it.
For that, why not? Yeah, you only live
I
once.
want to do it.
I think so, yeah? Oh, just about. No!
You can't go. So, ladies win. We had a vote. The guys weren't sure. They wanted to get their GoPros, but we won.
The toys. I guess we're going to have to wait. I'm excited. I haven't been on a roller coaster in years, and I mean literally years. Have we ever been on a roller coaster? Never done that, huh?
We've never been on a roller coaster together.
Oh.
Have we?
No, we haven't. I don't think we have. Because we never did in Canada. We were going to, but then we didn't. And we didn't in England, I know that much.
Well, yeah, because of COVID, everything was closed.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's spinny rides, too.
Make sure you keep this ticket.
Okay. Thank you. You have to keep your ticket. You have to keep it or you can't go. You guys, she said keep it. I don't know why.
So we cannot get out anymore, so we have to stay here.
All day. No food market. We're stuck here now all night.
Like, how big is it?
I don't think we'll get that lost. Oh, wow. It looks pretty big.
Let's see what you can do.
Okay? Put you on YouTube. What's your name?
Hakim.
Kim? And your name? Okay, yeah. Okay, goodbye. Have fun.
30 minutes from this point, and I think so. Wherever you guys go, you guys choose.
Are you ready, baby?
I am ready.
Are you ready?
I am ready. Getting
Are you
strapped
ready?
in, locked and loaded.
You guys ready?
Hello. Oh. Just getting ready for the fun to begin. Maybe not for filming.
Boys are checking out the footage. So you could get lockers here. You just can scan your card and you can get a locker, and you keep the code and you scan it when you want to open your locker. They want to go in the haunted house. All right, how's that?
Interesting. It was fun. The roller coaster was great.
It was like unexpected but well accepted.
Exactly.
We were going to come and take a look, but we didn't really like plan to come. But that was fun, right?
Yeah, I thought it was excellent. I mean, it's not a concept that I'm necessarily familiar with either, so it was it's surprising actually how well it's done. You know, I mean, the roller coaster was great. Really enjoyed it.
They went on the spinny one. That one, I did not go on that spinny one.
The spinny one was intense.
Yeah, they were like, woohoo, it's so fun. The first half of the ride, then they're all like, That was a good time.
Yeah, it was really good. It's the largest indoor theme park in Malaysia.
In Malaysia or Asia?
Very cool. And yeah, you know, price-wise it was great. There's lots to do, especially if you're a family with kids. You know, got kids, you can bring them along. Quite a few of the things were closed, but there is a lot of VR things opening soon. So I think that'll be really interesting in the future.
Yeah, for sure. Little ride chair ride with the pretty cherry blossoms. I would have done that one. That's more my speed.
Drinks, desserts. Vivo. There you go.
First too.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
The other time it was last.
Oh, that's quality. Love it.
Food time. What you got?
I always have it
beef spaghetti.
Because I get nervous. It's gonna like some random person's gonna like
Yeah.
Oh, hot plate. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, wonderful.
Thank you. Oh, that looks excellent.
Still sizzling.
Oh, cheesy fries.
You can click on done. Click on the blue button. Yeah. Very good.
We're out at, what is this place called? What is this place called? Olympic Snooker Hall. We're at the Olympic Snooker Hall in the Times Square Mall. BERJAYA Times Square. We're gonna play some pool in the pool hall. So the pool is 20 ringgits an hour, and the buckets of beer, you get 6 beers for 60 ringgit. So it works out to be 10 ringgit a beer. Okay, so we are back at the mall once again. Hello. We are back to do some bowling. So this mall is incredible. So we've done the pool hall, we've done the amusement park, and we've done the food court, and now we're going to show you guys the bowling.
Oh, and it's busy as well. But this is actually one of the largest bowling alleys I think I've ever seen. There's like maybe 60 lanes, 50 or 60 lanes, which is huge.
Yeah,
if you do come here, remember to bring socks. That's quite important because they do not provide them.
Yeah.
And it closes at 10, so we've come a little bit earlier today. Ready for some bowling action. Go, go, go.
Who's ready? Are you ready, baby?
I'm getting ready. Oh yeah. Trying to find the right ball.
Yeah. All right, guys. So who's gonna win round 1? Is it gonna be Jackson or Jen or Leon or Mario? You guys have to vote. You guys have to guess in the comments who's winning round 1. Let us know.
Very nice. Alright, can you back it up? Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can.
Leon. Okay, so I think we're going to say goodbye in this video, even though we're off to the night market, the Wednesday night market.
The night is still young.
It is, and you'll see that in the video after this. So we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This mall is huge and fun.
It's been a lot of fun. That roller coaster was just epic. Yeah, so it was great. Yeah.
So
awesome.
Thank you so much for watching, as always. And what do we say our new thing is going to be? See you soon, but not soon enough. That's going to be our little catchphrase. Yay! we decided today that'll be our new thing. So see you soon, but not soon enough. All right, ciao for now.
Adios.
Bye, guys. And please don't forget to like, the video if you enjoyed it, and also to share it with your friends. It does help us with the more engagement on the video, the more it gets seen, the more we can continue to do these. And also when you subscribe, don't forget, all it does is just when you come on YouTube, it'll just show you our new videos. So if you're interested in that, please don't forget to do that. Otherwise, thanks for watching this video about Kuala Lumpur, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.